Hello there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT type of a question with us. Let's solve this question. Which of the following expression is equivalent to x squared minus 3x minus 40 over x plus 5? To solve this specific question, I'm going to show you a quick factoring shortcuts. X squared minus 3x minus 40. So to factor this out, you can just, put x and x in here because x times x is x squared. And what is the factor of 40? When you multiply, that's going to give you 40. You can use 8 and 5. 8 times 5 is 40. You would ask, why didn't we use, for instance, 4 times 10? Because when I add them 4 times 10, 4 and 10, I cannot get negative 3. But by adding 8 and 5, I can get negative 3. But I need negative 8. Because when I multiply these two factors, that's going to give us negative 40. So one of them has to be anyway negative. So which one is negative, 8 or 5? To determine that, when you add these two to get two factors numbers, negative 8 and 5, you have to get the number in front of the x, so which is negative 3. Then you can write your expressions instead of this. This is going to be equal to x minus 8 x plus 5, because this is plus. So instead of x squared minus 3x minus 40 in the equation, in the expression, I can just go ahead and write this x squared minus 8 times x plus 5 over x plus 5 in the denominator. So as you can see, x plus 5, we have 1 on the numerator and 1 on the denominator. They can cancel each other out, and you will end up with x minus 8, which is given in the choice A. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave it in the below. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.